In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop a photo on your Mac. If the photo you want to crop is sitting in Finder, it's super simple. Just right-click on the image, go to Open With. If you don't have any pro editing software installed, just go ahead and select Preview. It's the default app built right into your Mac. Next, head up and click on the Selection tool. Click and hold your mouse, then drag to create a selection area on your photo. Once you let go, you can still adjust the size of that box if you need to. Finally, hit the crop button on the toolbar. Your photo is cropped. To save it, just hit Command-S. Now, a quick heads up about the selection tool. If you choose the elliptical or lasso tool, your selection won't be a perfect rectangle anymore. So, if you hit the crop icon now, a pop-up will appear letting you know that the photo needs to be converted to a PNG. This is just to make sure the edges outside your selection stay transparent. Just hit Convert, and your image will change to a PNG format. Case number 2. If the photo you want to crop is inside the Photos app, just double-click the image. Then, hit the Edit button in the top toolbar. From there, select Crop in the center of the top menu. Now you can just drag the image to adjust its position. You can also pick from the preset aspect ratios over on the right sidebar. When you're happy with it, just hit Done to save. And remember, for any photos inside the Photos app, you can always go back to the original version by clicking the Revert to Original button.